Steve, it's bedtime.
Gypsy. Gypsy. No!
Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no.
Get out of my hair. Yes, it's just washed. Goodbye. No. Melvin.
Resources, placement, like then we can come back to it and solve it. And we need to have a flashlight kickoff, then we'll have a flashlight kickoff to make sure that it's in the
1, 2, 3.
Gia, I'm trying to read. I'm trying to read.
What is he doing? Danny. He fully put himself in this position.
Easy.
Baby, you're a chunky cat. You're not gonna be able to fit. Baby, you're a chunky cat. Oh my god.